Welcome from the Fleet Demonstration Center in Remscheid. Today we would like to introduce you to the RMX 3500 3-axis 10C milling machine. This is the most popular size of the 4 machines in the product family. The machine offers attractive traverse paths of 780 mm in the x-axis, 500 mm in the y-axis, and 500 mm in the z-axis, all with a very small footprint. The RMX is equipped with ProtoTRAK's 15-inch touchscreen control. The easy-to-use user interface enables us to carry out individual parts, small series, and also repair rework. The control system has been very well received on the market due to its simplicity and flexibility and has revolutionized some production areas. The RMX is a very robust machine and is made from a specially ribbed and vibration-absorbing Meehanite casting. Inductively hardened flat guides make the machine extremely robust and wear-resistant. The machine is equipped with a 2-speed gearbox with up to 5,000 revolutions per minute. We achieve a very high torque in the lower segment. It is a beautiful and robust machine with attractive travel ranges and a small footprint. Both purely manual, simple operations and complex 3-axis machining are possible with this machine. The associated RMX control offers attractive functions. From the 3D view and verification to a DXF conventioner. It is also possible to calculate missing geometry. We can use the mathematical functions for this. With the ProtoTRAK control system, we appeal to a wide range of users, from someone without any CNC experience to a trained programmer. The interface offers a wide range of cycles and application options for manufacturing a large number of components. See for yourself during a digital demonstration. Alternatively, we would be happy to show you the machines in one of our demonstration centers under Spahn.